It wasn't a no, but no, I didn't crash it. This time. Shame I've broken an otherwise perfect record.
Can I just say, I hurt myself.
Here comes the fingers.
Oh, here we go.
Go and get a drink, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't eaten, don't eat for a while, because this is going to turn your stomachs. It's
I don't know if you can see this, but
gore. Oh my God. I know.
the scar is still there.
Yeah.
And that was 6 months ago. I was attempting to bash the beak off a porcelain duck using a hammer. And God knows how I got it wrong. These two still can't work out how that went. So
there were two things involved, a hammer and a porcelain duck.
Yeah, and somehow there was arterial blood gouting all over a car park in Georgia.
I've hurt myself.
So that's the only injury that was sustained, I'm very sorry to tell you, in the entire filming of season 3.
But God, it was horrific.
It was a horrific injury.
You broke your finger.
It's a shame you didn't, as you claimed you had, cut it off, because then we're going to throw the rest of you away. Well, we brought the wrong bit back home, look.